Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to replace the rear shocker of Renault Duster. So this is not a four-wheel drive. So the rear shockers, there is a different assembly for the stud and shocker. So in my car the rear shocker got leaked. So if the rear shocker of your car got damaged or leaked, the tire will keep on bouncing on the road. It may be in the potholes, even on the speed breakers. So if once you cross those potholes or the speed break, or even the road is uneven, in that case your tire keeps on bouncing. That thing will going to damage the suspension of your car, and even the brakes will not be effective and will going to damage the tires as well. So there are a lot of things which will going to be damaged, and you like the performance of the braking is also not good. So it will going to impact the performance of the vehicle. So very basic thing, the replacement of the shocker. So I will going to show you the process, whole detailed process, how to replace the rear shocker of Renault Duster. For other cars the procedure will remains the same, only change will be the difference in the tools which is required, the socket and keys. There will be a basic difference of those tools only. So let's get started. So in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Let's proceed. To access the upper side or the top side of the shocker, we need to open this plastic areas, because the shocker is installed on the back side of this plastic. So first of all, let's open this plastic. To open this plastic tray, we need to open this screw, and there is another screw. So here we have to open both the screws. After that we need to take out this plastic. So this plastic part is out. Now we have to open this. To open this plastic, we need to open these two screws. We have over here and one is on the other side. And after that we have to take out this big screw as well, on which rear seats got locked. So after taking out this plastic, we have multiple locks which is visible in blue color. After taking out those locks, so the shocker is accessible from the top side. So now jack the car and release the pressure from the shock. After that we will going to open the nut and bolts which are holding the shocker. So you can see here the oil got leaked from the shocker, so that's the reason I am replacing it. So we have opened the shocker from the bottom side. Now we have to open from the top side inside the car cabin. For the comparison purpose, just compare both the shockers. So this is the Monroe and this is the one which I took out from the car. So the size is totally identical, and if I show you, even the company one, the which is coming from the OEM, from the factory fitted, it's also Monroe. So I am going for the Monroe one, so no issues. So this is the Monroe, so identical shockers. So you can just get it replaced from outside as well. So the Monroe, if you are just buying from the Monroe, so it's the OEM one. So let's install the new one. So after aligning the shocker, we have to install this bush. Now we have to just install this. Tight this. Actually, while just opening this nut, somehow the recording stopped and I was not able to show you how it was opened. So we need a 16 mm key and a plier, adjustable wrench or plier. Initially we will start with the plier, and after that we will going to use the adjustable wrench. So initially I am doing with the plier. So you need another person who will going to hold the shocker from the wheel well, and meanwhile you can just tighten this nut. So now we need this adjustable wrench. So using the adjustable wrench, the task become easier. So it's done. So we are done with the tightening of this screw inside the cabin. Now we have to tighten it from the suspension of the car. So this is the bolt which we are going to install back. So before installing it back, I will apply a little bit of thread locker on this bolt. So maybe there are chances that the shocker and the suspension, the arm on which the wheel is mounted, is not aligned. In that case we need to use the jack to align this wheel arm with the shocker. So let's see, in case if it required, I will going to show that as well. You can see it's not aligned, we have a gap. So I will going to use the jack to lift this wheel hub a little bit up, and after that, once it's aligned, I will going to install back. So now you can see it's aligned. So we have to install back this bolt. So initially we're going to hand tighten it, after that with the ratchet, and after that we're going to use the extension arm to tighten this. Now it's tightened, fully tightened. So now I will going to remove this jack. So we have tightened both the nuts like in the cabin, and the bolt which is attached to this suspension arm. So it's installed. Now we will going to mount back the wheel. So now we have to install this. So I will going to align all the locks which are visible in the blue color. After that I will going to press it firmly. So the plastic parts are also installed like how it was opened. So same way the screw, all the screw are tightened. You can see the new shocker is visible from here in the wheel well. So we are done. So that's like a very simple process how you have to replace the shocker of your car. You need the basic tools. Just to let you know, from the authorized service center, they told me the price of the shocker is around 3500 rupees. So the labor extra and the parts, so all the labor and the taxes extra, so it will cost me somewhere around 5000. In this case I have done on my own, and it's done in only in 2100 rupees. So you can see the huge difference. If you do on your own, you are doing in a proper way, you are not breaking the locks, you are not damaging the plastic parts, and you are sure like the work is done properly. So if you like this video, give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.